Take a ripe avocado and take out its seed. Wash it and soak in water for 24 hours. Spray water to moist the paper. Place at a warm and dark place. I placed the box indoors, outside was cold. Open the box every week and change the paper, if becomes black and spray water. After 6 weeks, seed splits and root emerges. Note the seedling from bottom is just emerging. After 1 more week, root became stronger, and the seedling from bottom emerged. Now plant the sprouted seed. Fill a pot with free-draining soil. Plant the sprouted avocado seed with roots in the soil and seedling just out of soil. Place pot at a warm place in shade. Keep soil moist. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.